directly administer us from Delhi. 3. Objection to FMR. 4. To continue any form of agitation and action as per the needs arise. 5. To support and cooperate with any plans, projects and policies made by Itlf to strengthen our movement. 6. Should not sign for the integrity of Manipur and stand firm with our demand for unity with legislature. 4 and 7. For our future political movement, meeting with Shu groups and our MLAs should be here with the initiative of Joe United as soon as possible. 8. MHA should be questioned on the status of our political demand by joint signature of Shu, MLA and CSOs. 9. Our MLA cannot be part of the Meiteis government who killed us and who took oath under the militia, Arambai Tenggol. They should work according to wish of the people. They should counter the Burean government in favor of our people. They should resign if the need arises. That Moderator Mizoram, Moderator.